Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use copper in your garden. Copper offers several fantastic benefits for your plants and soil. It acts as a natural fungicide, helping to protect your precious plants from common diseases like powdery mildew and blight. Additionally, copper is a highly effective deterrent for slugs and snails, creating a barrier they simply won't cross. Beyond pest control, copper is also an essential micronutrient, vital for robust plant growth and overall garden health. There are several effective ways to introduce copper into your garden. For pest control, you can apply copper tape, typically 1 inch wide, around the rims of pots or raised garden beds. To combat fungal diseases, consider using a copper-based fungicide sprayed directly on plant foliage, always adhering to the product's specific instructions. For a slow and steady nutrient boost, you can carefully incorporate small pieces of copper wire into the soil near your plants, providing a gentle release of this vital element. Let's look at some targeted applications. Copper tape, ideally at least 1 inch wide, creates an electrical charge that deters slugs and snails from crossing. For disease management, a classic solution is Bordeaux mixture, a blend of copper sulfate and lime, which effectively controls fungal issues like early blight on tomatoes. You can also wrap thin copper wire around the base of plant stems or stakes to discourage climbing pests from reaching your valuable crops. While copper is beneficial, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Excessive copper can accumulate in the soil, potentially harming plants and beneficial microorganisms. Always apply copper products sparingly and precisely, following all manufacturer guidelines. When handling copper treatments, remember to wear protective gear, such as gloves and eye protection, to ensure your safety. Proper application ensures you reap the benefits without any unintended negative consequences for your garden or yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.